Good morning. It's 8:12 or so in the morning on the 29th of September. I'm still in Pigeon Forge, just a couple of miles from Dollywood. I am going to escape Pigeon Forge this morning and head west. I don't know how far. Well, I know I'm going to go about 200 miles, but I don't know where I'm going to end up. The Dollywood video that I posted last night came back with a protected music warning. It's copyrighted music. Now, I'm assuming that's all the Dolly songs that are in the background all over the park. So if you can't see it, well, I don't know what to do. If you can see the Dollywood video I did last night, one or two of you send me yeah, I can see it, but I don't know. So I saw Titanic, I saw the Hatfield-McCoy feud dinner show, I've seen Dollywood. There is so much to do here, it's beyond comprehension. Now that's why I really want to get out of this town. It's gorgeous here. It's beautiful. People are friendly beyond comprehension. Dollywood was fun. The Titanic was really interesting. The Hatfield-McCoy was fun and cute and energetic and a lot of fun. Everything here is wonderful except for the tourists. There's tourists everywhere. It's like they run these shuttles and they don't quite use a shoehorn, but let me tell you, it's standing room only by the time the last fella gets on. I'm usually the last fellow. It's crowded. This is the epitome of a tourist town. Nothing wrong with that, but it makes me crazy. And well, the heck of it is, even the tourists are friendly. Everybody says hi, and you can't complain, but I do. It's just not for me. So maybe it would have been a lot more fun if I'd had my sweetie with me, but she couldn't make it, and that was a shame. I don't know if it was a thing that I would come back to if I ever had her with me or not. Hard to say. Anyway, I'm getting ready to leave. I'm going to unhook and get out of here by 9 and head west. In the meantime, the shirt of the day is my Vashon Island 2000, I'm looking at this backwards, 2009 Isle of Vashon shirt. I will put the camera up and let you see the back and the front. Anyway, I hope you can see that Dolly video. And let's turn around. Okay, shirt of the day. Vashon Island. It's a secret really, if I didn't tell you before. They don't advertise. Nobody knows about it. It's run every year. And if you know somebody on Vashon, they can tell you when it's going to be. But the people who run it don't advertise it. And each year, hundreds of bikes show up magically. You have to have a friend of a friend of a friend. I happen to have a son who lives on Vashon, and he told me about it. Whoops. So I got to go. And got myself a shirt. That's a very rare shirt. So that's it. I'm going to pack up and get out of here. Later. Bye. Well, this is a nice little park. Lots of green, beautiful trees. Lots of nice wide spots. These are pull-throughs. I'm over there at the very end. And you can see my little rig over there back in. Shortly. Isn't this pretty? Look at these trees. I like this a lot.